Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I want to show you CoastalBot. Yesterday I allowed you to watch a recording of it as it played out live. Today I did not record it live, but I'm going to show you the trades that it did. And I started this bot at about 5:45 Eastern Time in the morning today. And I turned it on. I let this go. It is untouched. I never touched any of the trades. And I did 4 contracts. And we took a trade here, right here. I was looking at it as it did this, and I wanted to go ahead and exit out of this trade right here because of this level, but I did not. I let it go untouched because that's kind of what people want to see. They want to see how it would work if you don't have any knowledge of anything. So I did let it go ahead and go. It stopped out on me, but we picked up the profit back right here, and then it kept on trading and going up. This one right here was a loss. This one, I would not have allowed it to enter on my own because we have that level there. That's what we do. Whenever we have a level and it's an entry right before it, if you don't have enough room between the entry and the level to take profit, then we don't take profit. This one right here, we ended up getting the money back. This one right here, it went right on up, right into this level. Again, it's not one I would have manually allowed, but it did take the loss right here. There was no entry on this one because of the color change of the wildfire, and this one, yesterday we just I think yesterday was coastal only. Today I ended up putting the wildfire on it as well. So if the wildfire is green behind the entry, it'll take it. If it is red behind the entry, it won't. So this was a red. This would have been a good trade, actually. It would have been good. And on this one, we end up coming down. I would not have allowed this to go in because of this level, but I also would not have allowed this to stop out. Again, this is untouched. I want people to see what it would be if they turned the bot on and not walk away, but just sit there and watch it, what it would actually do if you didn't know what I'm teaching you right now. We did get another entry there. It went on down. That was actually a good one. And right here was a stop out. You had to stop out there and then an entry. So a lot of people, I turned it off for a while. No, actually, I let it run the rest of the day, and I turned it off when we hit 41.65, which is actually 100%. So I turned it off right here. Through here somewhere is where I turned it off, and but you can see the trades like this one here. It would not have entered here because we have a red, and this one it would have entered, so that would have been a good trade, a good trade, good trade, another good trade. This one would have actually taken profit over here, so it would have missed this part. It would not have got stopped out on that. And right here would have been another good trade, and no entries here. This would have been an entry off of there. That would have been good. This is a good trade. So there's a lot more good trades in here. And, using the 40 Spy Money bar, it actually works really well. This is my own proprietary bars. They work really well. And as you can see, there is a lot of good trades today. Now, right through here, well, let's see. This one, it would have entered here, and that would have actually made profit off of this. It would have entered here. That might have stopped out there, been real close. It might have been okay. If not, it would have taken profit. If not, it would have gotten profit here or here. So there's several in there that would have been good. Using the wildfire with the coaster, it works really well. It will keep you out of some trades that were good, but for the most part, it actually gets you in a lot better trades. So it does a really good job. So as you can see, I didn't cherry pick or anything. We hit 100% target. And so I just shut it off because that's 4 contracts. It's $4,000. Right here would have been another good trade. It trades really well. The coding on this is extremely well. It does a great job. People in the Discord are making money with it, and they're starting to trust it more. And when you trust it, you usually come out a lot better. So that's on this one. So I'm going to show you another one. Let's see here if I can find it. And actually, you know what? it disabled. I wish it hadn't have. Oh well, it disabled. Let me make sure here. Let me check real quick. Yes, it disabled, but I'm going to show you. I still have the strategy performance. A lot of people ask about the performance trades and such. This one is on this particular bot. So it's 4165. It had a total gross profit of 10,000. It did have 6,000 loss. There's a drawdown of 2,400. At one time, it had a 73% win rate. Now, granted, if you had manually helped this, there's several trades in there that you would not have allowed it to enter because of levels. And there's also several trades in there that you would have taken profit because of the levels and so forth. But this is untouched, so you can pause this and look at it and see what you think. It actually does really well. It says here profit per month would be $127,000 if it hit this exact strategy every single day, which is not going to happen. But that kind of gives you an idea of what it's going to be. Looks like it had more profits. More profits on the shorts today, but it did take the longs. We have a 1.68 profit factor on it, so it did pretty good. This one is on another bot. Well, it's actually the coaster bot without the wildfire, and I helped this one quite a bit in the beginning, and I traded more contracts, and then I let it kind of run on its own for several hours with just 8 contracts on each one. So this one, total profit on it is $22,875 a day. Now, granted, this is trading a lot more contracts that most people won't do, but I did. And so $22,875.56, and I had a 3.18 profit factor. That's because I helped the bot. So whenever I saw the trades were right, or I would go ahead and enter it. Whenever the trades were going against a level, I still let it go in, but I controlled that stop to make sure that I wasn't going to lose a bunch of money on it. There was one trade that I lost quite a bit on, and I added more contracts to it. I thought it was going to go down. I should have trusted the bot. It would have actually taken profit on it, but that is my big drawdown on it, is because of that one trade. 3.18 profit factor. We had an 85% win rate. Yesterday, I think I had a 92, 3, 4%. It was somewhere on through there, 90 some percent yesterday on the win rate. So the bot does well. It'll get you in the trade, and as long as you follow the rules, you should do pretty good with it. Now, not everybody can, but like on this one here, I turned it on and I just let it take the trades. I didn't touch it. This one is untouched, and as you can see, there's a lot more trades in here, even like right now. Right here, we have the wildfire signal on it. So this would have been okay. Right here is the signal. Enter there. This would have been another win right here. This would have been a winner here, or on this one. Either one of these two would have been the winner. This one right here would have been a winner. This one would have been a loser. A loser there. There's a winner. There's a winner. No signal here. This one would be, that would have actually entered because it's on the same bar, so this would have been another winner. Right there's a winner. There's a lot of winners. It's really hard not to make money on this when NQ is moving kind of the way it is. It does a really good job. So if you have any questions or anything, please let me know. I'd be happy to help you as far as getting involved on this and see how you can possibly make the same money. And I'll show you how to do that real quick. I'll pull up my website. You want to go to spymoneyllc.com. When you go there, go to the Ninja Suite right up here. When you go there, this is going to show you everything that we go through. And let me get this one turned off. I need to turn that to where it don't auto run. But how you get in is you need to read through these 14 statements. And this is a binding contract. I want you to start up here and copy all the way down to here. Once you do that, you highlight that, then you go ahead and copy it. And after you read it and agree to it, and then you go to contact us, come right down here, right click and paste. And then put your name, your email and your phone number, submit that, and I'll send you a link to where you can join. A lot of people must not read that because I get questions that are answered right here. So read through these and make sure you understand them and you agree to them, and then we can get you started on it. If you come down here, it shows a lot of the indicators. We have more indicators than this. And we have drawing tools, add-ons, frequently asked questions. If you read through this, it will probably answer your question. If not, put it in a contact to me, and I will answer them and try to help you out and get you started on it. We have a lot of people in there that don't participate in the Discord. They just watch, so you don't have to. I prefer for you to join in and actually ask the questions and post what you're doing and so forth. That's how we all learn together. So if you want to get joined, get signed up today, and be a good time to do it, because this weekend would give you enough time to look through everything and get everything set up. And it's really pretty simple to get set up. The way we have it is you just go up to your strategies, and once you go to your strategies, you click in here, and there's all of our bots that we have. This particular one, you would just double click on Coaster, and down here is a template. This template down here, you click on this, and let's see, it won't let me do it on that one. Let me do it on this one here. So if we go ahead and go in here, go to load the template, and this is our template. You load that, you put it into your bot, and it is going to run it. The only thing you have to do is in the settings, change it to the account you want, whether it be a prop firm or your live account, or if you just want to try it at first to make sure you're doing things right, which is what I recommend. So once you first sign up, just run it on Sim a little bit to make sure you understand how the entries and exits work and so forth. And then you just change it on your chart trader. So you'll change the account there, and then you turn it on and you go. That's all there is to it. It's really pretty simple. Put this on 40 SPY money bar and you are good to go. If you have any questions, like I said, let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you. Let's get you started and get signed up today. Go through the tutorials this weekend. Pretty basic, straightforward. And I even give you a link to the one that you need to watch. Once you get in there and learn how to set this up, then you can go ahead and start trading Sunday night. This one works best, I think, in the London through about 11 o'clock during the day. But right now, right now the time is 1:55 p.m. Eastern Time, and there's a lot of good winning trades in here. The 40 really keeps you out of a lot of the chop and does pretty good for you. Again, have any questions, let me know. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll be here to help you.